My favorite part of volunteering at the Motion Picture and TV Home is the incredible stories that the residents have. I remember this one that Glynis Johns told me. She was shooting a scene in her mermaid costume for the 1948 film Miranda, and she had to wear a wig that covered her chest, which she called Boozy Bits, and a rubber tail, and she just had the hardest time swimming with the tail. And I actually have that story recorded.
I couldn't get up. And so they had to send in the lifesavers to get me up. The main part of my body and my face, of course, up from the bottom. But meanwhile, I lost my boozy bits. They came unstuck. And I wouldn't get out of the tank until I found them. And so I was swimming around in the tail trying to stick these boozy bits on.
The Motion Picture and TV Home gives legendary stars a place to share legendary stories that will be told and remembered for generations. Donate to our Kickstarter campaign and receive a copy of Miranda on DVD. The Motion Picture and Television Country House and Hospital. Older stars burn brighter.